As always, I use my Black Caviar Total Repair shampoo and then my Natural Silk Therapy mask. The mask I leave it 14 minutes about, so in this time I'm taking a nice shower and then plenty of water on my hair. Proceeding now, leaving in the towel for 10 minutes and then brushing all my hair. Really easy to brush with this product, and now I'm drying my hair. Truly no any other product on my hair, so just like this. Okay, this is my hair after washing with just shampoo and hair mask. And of course, how you can see, it's nice, it's shiny, it's soft like silk, but I want this time to use volume, to have more volume on my hair. So this time I'm going to use Black Caviar, this one, Volumizer Spray. It's for fine, thin and fragile hair. So yes, that's my hair. And then I will use Black Caviar Volumizer Serum. This one I will use only on my ends, just to leave them protect with the heat that I will put on my hair. Okay, so let's start. This is only what I use for my ends. It's really a little, and then I proceed to just dry it a little bit more and do a nice style. You just do whatever you want and wait no longer than 5 minutes. After that you will see your hair different. So let's wait, and then you will see the final result. So this is the final result. I love it. It looks more full. It looks, with volume. That's the goal. It looks really nice. It's still looking shiny, still looking healthy. That's also another goal. And you can see behind, and really soft. So 100% I recommend this product, and I'm still loving. I love all the products from this brand. And I will suggest you to buy this one if you want a little bit more volume in your hair. That will be awesome for you. And the serum makes a little bit like silky, smooth texture on the ends of your hair, so it looks nice, not oily, looks really good. Okay, and that's it. So remember, use my code and purchase yours, and let me know how it works. Bye.